I will now show you how to wrap text around images in Affinity. We will discuss three cases. First is like this rectangular image. The second is like this. We will discuss how to create softer edges, so like something like vignette, and something like this when you have a white background in your image. So here is my book and I want to add some image here. I have generated just a sample image like this of a guy on a bicycle in a forest. We have like busy background here and one more generated image with a white background. You can just drag and drop an image and paste it into Affinity like this. So first what we need to do, we have to cut everything that we don't need. Select your image, go to Pixel Studio and select crop tool. Now we can crop our image to the shape that we want to keep in our book. So something like this. And let's place it here. I recommend aligning top and bottom with the baseline, so like here, and top could be also aligned with the height of the small letters, okay, like that. And you see currently the text doesn't wrap, the text is just behind the image. Click on your image, go to Layout Studio again. Here we have Show Wrap settings, so click on that and you can select Jump. If you select Jump, your text will jump over the image. Even if it stays like in the center, you see it will jump over. We should choose Square. In this case, the text will wrap around this rectangle shape. Okay, let's place it back here. It looks better, but now the text is too close on the right side of the image. Again, go to text wrap and you see distance from the text and add some more text on the right side. 3 millimeters works fine. We can adjust it like so. And you see when you change the size of this image, the wrap also change together with it. And if you don't have this tool here, wrap settings, you can double click or right click on your toolbar and click on customize toolbar. And here you should find this wrap settings and bring it here. So now let's try make the edges of this image more softer. For that, let's make it bigger. Again, go to Pixel Studio and we have to create a mask for this image. Select your image layer, click on mask here and choose paintbrush tool, choose black color, and we can hide some parts of this image. It is non-destructive editing and it's much better than deleting the parts of the image. So we can just hide whatever we want like this. Yeah. If you think it's too much, let's return. We can also control the width of this brush. Just right click or double click. You see we have hardness, so it's how hard we cut, and we have also size. We can control this one. Let's increase the size, let's decrease the hardness so it's really soft, something like that. Or you can also use these buttons on your keyboard, the square bracket buttons. Yes, just hide the area that you don't want to show, like this. And now let's try again. Go to Layout, go to Wrap Settings. Now we should choose Tight. It means the text will wrap tight around the shape of the image. Whatever the shape is, it can be circle, it can be like a star or anything else, or something like this. complex shape, and it will wrap around it perfectly, like this. And another option, when we have an image with a white background, drag and drop your image here, and you see this has a white background. Let's try using square, and you see text is just going around this image container. Okay, we can choose tight. It doesn't work as well. So what we need to do is to edit the wrap outline. So let's make it bigger. And here we have this button, Edit Wrap Outline. This means that we can edit the outline which text should wrap around this image, okay? So something like this. You see, something is happening here. Okay, let's say we just want to make it like this. But you see, the text is still not wrapping here. It's because the image is placed on the foreground. We need to move that to background or send it to back. Now we have it here. Let's go to Edit Wrap Outline once again, and here we see our outline. Okay, like that. And we can also change the curvature of this shape, something like that. Let's bring it here, and we can add more dots here, like so. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below or book your personal session with me.